Alright guys, so in today's video we want to find out, or I want to find out, how the seats are after 5 years of ownership. From day one, this has been on the car, the neoprene seat covers. So I want to check out if this is abrasive or if the leather is affected here, creases over here. Now I'm going to remove it from, let's see, just a quick look. So far, so good, right? But we're going to remove this seat cover. But first we have to remove the headrest. And from here, let's start with the time lapse to remove the actual seat backing and then give you guys a look at the overall long-term ownership of having seat protectors. Is it worth it? Is it not? Stay tuned to find out. Alright guys, so here it is, before and after. On the left, you got your Sheer Comforts neoprene seat covers in black that matches the interior, and you got your stock seats after 5 years of usage. Alright, let's try removing this with one hand. So, there you go. And this is the seat cover. The second one. Alright guys, let's check this out. Take a look at the seats from this angle at the golden hour. It looks great. I think after everything is all said and done, here is the Sheer Comforts removed after 5 years of ownership from the passenger side and from the driver's side. Again, let us take you on a before and after. And overall, I really do like the Mark 6 in terms of the R logo location on the headrests back then and the Autobahn seats. Right here, when you have the Sheer Comforts or any type of seat covers, it will cover the R, give it less of a personalization. From here, as you all know, I like the R's. R here, R everywhere. All right, but here you go. And again, contact points right here. Right here, it looks great. And overall, this part right here, I guess, is kind of like the norm. A little slight indentation from seating, but in terms of like crease marks and everything, dirt, and overall just UV protection. You have this car parked in the seat in the hot summer heat without a sunshade. It might go ahead and protect your seats from UV protection. Now, in the rear, I do have those Euro headrests that will go towards the next owner because I sold the OEM ones. But this looks nice, especially the passenger seat. Now, here I am with the final review. And to sum it up, do I recommend it? Yes, I think overall, I don't think it increases your resale value, but I think it gives the buyer peace of mind or confidence that you did take care of your vehicle. And for that, I definitely did. I tried my best. So in terms of that, I think, again, it protects it from UV protection in the hot summer sun. And I think that is one of the reasons why it remains so new. So on that note, I would like to thank you guys for watching this video on a part out of a seat cover and my long-term impressions. And final answer, is it worth it? It definitely is. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.